Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
Clogged drain vents cause gurgling noises by blocking airflow in your plumbing. Without proper ventilation, water can't flow smoothly, creating suction that leads to bubbling sounds. Clearing the vent stops these noises and prevents slow drains or sewer odors, keeping your plumbing running smoothly.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.